Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Tally Hall in Infinite Craft. To begin our crafting journey, merge earth and water to produce a plant. Next, introduce wind to your plant to transform it into a dandelion. Finally, combine dandelion with another plant to successfully create weed, a crucial component for our ultimate goal. Our next step is to craft the intriguing element, vampire. Start by mixing dandelion with water to produce a delightful wine. Then, combine water with this wine to create holy water, a purified form. Finally, introduce fire to your holy water, and you will successfully craft the element known as vampire. This is a key intermediate step on our path to Tally Hall. Now, let's develop the crucial counting element. Take your previously crafted vampire and combine it with weed to create count, a foundational numerical concept. Next, merge two instances of count together to form number, representing a quantity. Finally, combine count with number, and you will successfully craft the element counting, bringing us closer to our goal. For the grand finale, we combine our two primary crafted elements to form the iconic band. Take your counting element, which you meticulously developed, and merge it with weed, our initial creation. This powerful final combination will successfully yield Tally Hall. Congratulations, you have now crafted this unique and beloved musical group in Infinite Craft, completing your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.